It's the 24th of May, the year 2023. Welcome to the Capital Bulletin. My name is Davis Ayega. Housing Principal Secretary Charles Hinga has defended President William Ruto's ambitious affordable housing plan, saying its benefits are enormous. He said the government has come up with a proposed housing fund levy in order to approach investors to partner in accomplishing the plan. The proposal to have a mandatory contribution to the levy has attracted mixed reactions from Kenyans, with some saying the plan is unachievable.
Ladies and gentlemen, if we agreed from the beginning that we have a housing problem, we have an informal settlement problem, now we can get to the mechanics of how do you sort that out. And remember, what you have in our country, a country of 50 million people with less than 30,000 mortgages, it means we have a broken housing market. This is not, it is a failure because wewe fanya ile hesabu. Sisi wote tulienda shule. If you get, I don't even know whether you can convert it into a percentage. If you get 30,000 out of 50 million, I don't know what is that as a percentage. It is 0.00 mingi. That is the pass rate. So the question is, how do you get yourself out of such a situation?
Former rugby player Olaba has been sentenced to 6 years in jail for threatening to kill a witness in a separate case in which he was charged for rape. The former national 7-star was back in 2021 arrested after unwittingly approaching an undercover cop to help him eliminate a witness who was to testify against him in the rape case in which he has been charged alongside fellow rugby player Frank Wanyama. In 2020, the duo had been sentenced to 15 years in jail for the gang rape offence, but the same was later quashed by a judge, citing failure to swear in one of the key witnesses. And finally, the government is committed to documenting all citizens in order to enhance service delivery. President William Ruto said effective and inclusive governance of public services requires accurate citizen data. Speaking during the 7th Identification for Africa conference held here in Nairobi, President Ruto said proper identity systems will boost democracy in Africa.
The government has instituted measures to ensure 100% registration of births and services and births and deaths by 2026. Aside from the overarching purposes of national identity management system, Kenya has specific objectives for pursuing this critical undertaking. Article 12 of our Constitution sets out the entitlement of every citizen to rights, privileges, and benefits of citizenship, and to a Kenyan passport and any document of registration or identification issued by the state to all our citizens. The state is therefore committed by implication to the full implementation of these clear constitutional provisions without any question or delay or any other excuse.
For more on this and other stories, log on to our website at www.capitalfm.co.ke/news.